welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 7 guided project 723. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course read on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do for you with A plus grade, complete class. So we will go to MCGRA Simnet, go to Excel 2021 and practice chapter 7 guided project 723. Okay, you can see this is the title of project. So as a 2021 in practice chapter 7 guided project 723. Here is the guided project 723. Agents for Placer Hills Real Estate have built a worksheet to help clients compare monthly payments. You can read this. You clear and reset data validation, insert a spin box form control, and save the workbook as a template. Student learning. Okay, you can read this. For file needed for this project, placer hits.7.xls available from the start file link. Okay, this file is available from the start file link. I have also downloaded from MCGRA Seminar. Now I'm going to opening this XLS workbook. Okay, so complete project file name, your name, placer hits.7xls, skill covered in this project. We will cover skill in this project. Find and clear data validation setting. Set data validation with an error alert. Insert a spin box from control. Protect a worksheet. Okay, so step to complete this project. We need to complete this step for this project. For complete projects, mark the step as checked when you complete them. Question number 1. Open the placer hits 7 start file. Click the enable editing button. The hash number error appears in 3 cells because argument for the formula and those cells are missing. First, we will click the enable editing button on Excel workbook. You can see for this file is protected view, so we'll click on enable editing button. So the numbers appear in the 3 cells because argument from the formula. Okay, you can see. So question number 2. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so. Your instructor and save as. Okay, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so. Your instructor and save it. You can see this. Yes, automatically. File name automatically included. Question number 3 is here. Okay, so I am going to do question number 3 of this project. Find and clear data validation setting. Point A of question number 3. Click the find and select. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on find and select button. Click on go to spatial. Okay, click the find and select button and choose go to spatial. So point B, select the option button for data validation. Okay, select the option button for data validation. Okay, you can see I have clicked on data validation checkbox. So point C of question number 3, click OK cell with data validation setting or highlight it. Click on OK button. So point D, click the data validation button, data tab. Okay, go to the data tab. In the data tools group, click on data validation button. Click on data validation. So point D, click clear all on the setting tab and leave the dialog box open. We will click on clear all. Click on clear all and leave the dialog box open. So moving on, next question is question number 4 of this project. This is the question number 4 of this project. Set data validation with an error alert. Point A, verify that following cells in the worksheet are selected: C9 to C12, H9 to H11, H13 to H14 and H16. If they are not, choose the data validation dialog box, select the cells and click the data validation button, data tab, data tools group. Okay. Verify that the following cells in the worksheet are selected. You can see first we will select this cells range C9 to C12. Okay, you can see. Okay, C9 to C12 all cells selected. So point B, click the yellow arrow and choose the decimal on the setting tab. So point B, click the data arrow and choose the greater than or equal to. Choose the data arrow and click the data arrow and choose the greater than or equal to. So point D, click the minimum box and type 0. We will type 0 in the minimum box. So next point E, click the error alert tab and verify that you show error alert after individual. We will go to the error alert button and verify that show error alert and we invalid data is entered box is selected. Point F, verify that stop displayed as the style. It verified. Okay, this is display and stop. Click the title box and type required. We will click the title box and type required in the title box. So click the error message box and type please enter a positive value. Click the error message box and we will enter a message, error message, please enter a positive value. So point I is click OK. We will click OK. This question is done. So I am going to do next question of this project. Next question is question number 5. Display the developer tab on the ribbon. Okay. Display the developer tab on the ribbon if it is not shown. Select the options command and click customize ribbon in the left pane. Okay. Go to the developer tab and select the option command and click customize ribbon in the left pane. Okay. Go to the options and okay, customize ribbon in the left pane. Click on customize ribbon in the left pane. So point B of question number 5. Select the developer box in the main tabs group and click OK. We will click on developer box in the main tab group. OK. Click on OK. Okay, this question is done. Now I am going to do question number 6 of this project. This is the question number 6 of this project. In question number 6, insert a spin button. Insert a spin button from form control. Point A of question number 6, show the grid line on the worksheet. Go to the view tab. in the show group, we will click on grid line checkbox. So point B, click the insert control button, developer tab, in the control group, click on insert button, so insert control button. We will select insert control button. Okay, click the spin button from control button. We will click the spin button from control button. We will go to the developer tab and click on insert button and click on spin button. Okay, so next point is point, one second, next point. Draw a control dialectic over cell I-21 to I-22. I-21 to I-22. So right click the control and choose format control. Right click the control and choose format control. Right click on this, click on format control. So click the minimum value box on the control tab and type 1. Minimum value box and we'll type 1. So set the maximum value of 8. These are agent identification number. Okay. Maximum value we'll type 8. So point H, click the cell link. These are the agent identification number 1 through 8. Point H, click the cell link box and select cell H22. The choice made by spin button will be placed in this cell. Okay, click the cell link box and select cell H22. Cell H22. So next point, moving on next point, I verify that the 3D shadow box is selected and click OK. Okay, verify that the 3D shading box is selected and click OK. Okay, so the links are displayed on. Click on OK. This question is done. Okay, click cell D4 to deselect the control. Click cell D4 to deselect the control. So moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this project so far. In question number 7, protect the worksheet for data entry. Select cell D4 to E4. Okay, both cells are selected. Press Ctrl plus select cell C9, C12. We will select this R cell, press Ctrl and select R cell. H9, press OK. Okay, press Ctrl and select this R cells. E22. Okay. Click the format button. Go to the home tab in the cells group. Click on format button. Select log cell to remove the log properties. Okay. Click log cell. Click the protect sheet button. Go to the review tab in the protect group. Click on protect sheet button. Allow the option to select logged and unlocked cell. Do not use the password. Allow the option select logged cell and select unlocked cell. So click OK. Okay, you can see I have done 75% of this project in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for this complete MC Grail Simnet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp number is shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp. And my WhatsApp link is also given in the description. You can contact me easily. I can do all courses: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. Like other courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Java, C++, Python, my lab management, business classes, writing courses, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.